What's going on, guys? gdwarrior here, back in town. I thought I'm gonna be riding today, but I don't think so. It's gonna be fucking storming in a little bit. Anyways, I wanted to show you something. I stripped the paint off my pipes. I used to have this stuff in here: high heat, ultra, semi-gloss, Rust-Oleum paint. Great stuff if you want a semi-gloss look on your pipes. Strip the chrome off the pipes, make them look brushed like I have, and then you can paint them and it looks really sweet. You guys saw that. And then I wanted to show you one more time how it looks like. I mean, the brush look, it's not bad, you know, but I prefer to have it black. I've never seen it brushed. I don't know if this is aluminum or steel or whatever, a brushed pro pipe. Anyways, but here I got a new fucking R1 gas cap. Looks sweet compared to stock. See? This new R1 gas cap. You don't need to key anymore. Just do this and take it out. Put it back in. Click. That's it. Now I need to find out where I can color my bolts into the same color as my left side cleanup. Now that anodized red will be fucking gorgeous on these caps. Okay, let's have a little sound peek. The bike. I want to ride finally, man, but I can't because it's filming. I'm gonna need new tires. My profile is almost done. This time I'm gonna go to 250 Avon Cobras. Alright guys, I see you on the road. gdwarrior, have a good day.